What if I could show you a USB-C docking station that fits in the palm of your hand? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 11-in-1 TobenONE USB-C docking station. This is a dock that's incredibly small, incredibly powerful, and even has an adjustment knob on it. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. This is the TobenONE UDS060 11-in-1 docking station. This is the packaging on it. Very nice, very simple, but let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this USB-C to C cable right here. This is the host cable of what you will plug into the dock and into your PC. Next up, we have the quick start guide here. It just explains everything that you need to know to get it all set up. Very, very cool, very important. Make sure to check it out. And finally, the dock itself. Look at this thing. It literally fits in the palm of my hand. So many amazing buttons on here. We got the SD card reader. We've got Ethernet, audio jacks, 2 HDMI. We got the host plug. We got a power plug there to give it extra oomph. We've got a button on top, another button, another button, another button, and even a knob. And the knob you can also press down as a button. 2 USB-A ports and another USB-C port. Super cool, super powerful. Let's go ahead and get it set up and try it out. This is the TobenONE UDS060 11-in-1 USB-C docking station. It not only expands your laptop's connectivity, but also lets you customize shortcut keys and even includes a programmable control knob to speed up your workflow. So let's check it out. If you work from home, edit videos, write code, stream content, or simply want a cleaner desk setup, then guess what? This docking station could be perfect for you. One of the standout features is its programmable control panel. This dock has 4 customizable shortcut buttons and a multifunctional control knob. Just use the TobenONE software and you can assign actions like taking screenshots, muting audio, launching applications, controlling media playback, even locking the computer. And when it comes to displays, the dock supports dual 4K monitors at 60Hz through its HDMI outputs on compatible Windows laptops that support DisplayPort MST. Mac users can also connect dual displays, although both external monitors will mirror the same image due to Mac OS display limitations. And when it comes to connectivity, you get multiple USB-A and USB-C ports for connecting external devices, keyboards, mice, webcams, and other accessories with transfer speeds up to 5 GB. And it's also got built-in SD and micro SD card readers, so it makes your life a lot easier if you're a photographer or videographer. And also content creators, this could be great for you. And when it comes to the internet, it's got a dedicated Ethernet port on it that gives you fast and stable wired connection. And it supports up to 100 watts of USB-C power delivery input. So this means that you can keep your laptop charged while simultaneously power your connected peripherals, all through a single cable. So the UDS060 is an excellent choice for remote workers, programmers, videographers, and so much more. It's got so many features included in this for such an amazing price point. So I gotta say, TobenONE, wow, great job. As you know, we've worked at TobenONE plenty of times in the past, and our products are always so awesome. They're always so nice and high quality and just efficient, powerful, and affordable. So, TobenONE, you guys are killing it. We want to give a huge shout out to TobenONE for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!